Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your card covers in Trello. Now there are two easy ways to go about doing that. Once you have your card that you want to change the cover for, you can right click on it and you'll have the option that says change cover. You click on that and you can either remove the cover that is currently there or choose a different photo. So let's say I want to choose a different photo. I can either choose from Unsplashed, right? And I can search more, I can click on that and I can search, right? Or I can find something from my computer as well. So I can find, for example, a different picture and I can easily go ahead and add that picture by uploading it. It's going to quickly upload and you can see immediately it changed. Now once I go ahead and close out of this, and for example you will see that it's changed, and if I open that as well you can see that it's changed. And that's it. If you're inside the card as well, you can easily go ahead and you can click on it and you can see what's there. You can download, you can remove the image, you can delete it. It's really up to you. You can even click on it as well on the cover and you can change it. So you can find the option to change it from here, or you can easily go ahead and find it on the right hand side as well, where you can find the option to change those cover. You want to just look for the options that will allow you to basically do that. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to go ahead and change your card cover in Trello.